That is, today I'll be answering someone's question here. Someone asked me how to use your Android phone as a webcam for your PC. So you guys may be having a desktop or PC which has a faulty webcam and you want to do a video on your PC, maybe Skype call or anything like that. So today I'll be showing you how you can do this one using two softwares. One, you'll need to download it on your PC and another one on your mobile phone. So what you need to do first is you have to go to the Play Store. Then after going to the Play Store, download this application, this app. It's called Droid. It's called Droid Cam Wireless. It's quite a long name. This one, so it looks like this. So go ahead and install this one. A paid version of this app doesn't have ads, so for this one it has ads. I'll just use it for demonstration purpose. So meanwhile I'll be downloading it here, and another thing which we are going to do is we shall also head direct to the PC. Also, so that we can download the software too on the PC. So meanwhile it is downloading and installing, I'll switch back to the PC also. So now here we go. So after downloading on your mobile phone, now what you'll do, you'll come and also download this one from your PC. So I'll provide the link in the description. So for the PC it's called Droid Cam Client. So after downloading it, we have already downloaded it, we shall go ahead to install it. So the installation is same like how you install it. Here on the phone I've already finished. So I'll click on open. I'll tap on open on the mobile phone, then I'll click next. Then I have to copy this IP address if I want to use the wireless format like that. Then I'll tap on allow. So this one is the IP address. In case you want to use a USB or wireless, you can go ahead to choose. So you can also select which one you want to use: camera, microphone, IP, webcam, everything. So after doing that, you can even select a camera, either back one or front one. So I've opened the Droid Cam client on the PC now. So as you can see here, I'll be connecting with a USB cable. So connect over USB cable. So I'll refresh here so that they can show me the device here. As you can see, this Samsung is already detected. So I'll go ahead to click on start. So also the phone application must be open. So I'll click on start. So now you can see the camera. I can be able to use the camera. So this is what I'm trying to record here, as you can see. So you can use this one as your webcam. It's very clear. So what you can do is if you have like a stand, you can use the stand, or you can hold it as if you're holding a selfie. So this is how it works. This is what I wanted to share with you guys today. So if you have any questions about this app, well and fine, leave it in the comment section down below. As you can see, the camera is very clear. You can make your call, you can make everything. So it's working pretty fine. Thank you for watching, guys. We meet in the next video. Leave you for now. Take care. Bye.